Alright, Sparkies, I know some of you guys only buy red tools from Milwaukee, but previously you could not get a Allen wrench set for us electricians from Milwaukee, but they have essentially made the same thing that Klein offers in their Allen wrench set. So this is a folding Allen wrench kit from Milwaukee. So for you guys that like the red tools and you have everything Milwaukee, here's you an Allen wrench set that'll do everything you need. And this has got 11 Allen keys on it, and it starts at 3/32 of an inch and goes all the way up to a 1/2 inch. So again, for you Milwaukee fans, now you can get your red Allen wrenches that you've always been looking for. So hopefully you enjoy this and have a great day.